everybody, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. As you guys can see from the title, today's video is just going to be a monthly favorites video, and since I didn't do one for October, I figured I would combine my October and November favorites, and then next month I will be back to just my singular monthly favorites. And I think next month actually completes either my third or fourth year of doing monthly favorites. And as always, I will have all the products mentioned in this video down below for you guys in case you are interested in purchasing any of them, as well as any coupon codes. So without further ado, let's get started. So normally I try to go in somewhat of an order, but I just don't even think that's going to happen this month because everything is just all over the place in general. So starting off, I do have a phone case favorite for the month. It is one of these Spec Presidio glitter cases, and it is just pink and glittery. I got this at Marshall's for $10. I absolutely love it. I'm pretty sure almost all of my monthly favorites have a new phone case. I'm kind of obsessed with them. They're kind of addicting to buy. I absolutely love these Spec Presidio cases. I think they are great quality. They protect your phone, and the fact that it's glittery and pink is a win-win situation. I cannot recommend these cases enough. Next up is a nail art kit, but this isn't just any nail art kit because it also comes with this purse. And what's really nice is that it is the Saffiano leather, and this is from Model 1s, and I will have the kit linked down below for you guys. And not only does it double as like a purse, but it also has all the nail art supplies in it, which I will get to in a second. I did want to mention that I do have a coupon code for you guys. If you use the coupon code Allie60, which I will have linked in the description box, as well as using the link in the description box, the first 100 of you can get $60 off your own purchase of this kit. I cannot recommend it enough. The tools they send you are such high quality, and I am going to go ahead and just go through everything that comes in here. So first off, I did get 2 nail polishes, and they are the gel nail polishes. They do not come with the kit, but you can order them separately. I am in love with the bottles. They are white matte bottles with wooden tops, and I just think they're adorable. And they are the soak off gel ones. The first color I got is Anderson, which is like a slate gray with a ton of blue undertones. And then I also got the color Flowers, which is a champagne-y pink color. And if you guys would like to see a tutorial on how to do your own gel nails at home, be sure to let me know in the comments down below because I can definitely do that for you guys. And then as for the stuff in the kit, you get a really chunky nail file, and it is washable and disinfectable so you can reuse it. And this one is for like buffing and stuff. And then you just get a regular nail file that is for shaping and just filing down. You get a total of 60 of the gel removing pads, which help to remove the UV gel nail polish easily, and they are all individual, which is nice. You get this, which looks like a lipstick case from Kat Von D, but it's not. It is actually a little brush, and what's really nice is that it does collapse up into the size of a lipstick. You get 2 nail art brushes. The first one is just a really thin one that looks like this, so you can do striping, and then the second one is a little thicker, and then the last 3 products are actual tools for doing your nails. The first one is a cuticle pusher, and I really like this one because it's metal. A lot of the times kits come with wooden ones, which don't do squat for you. This one comes with a metal one, and it's double-ended, so this one has like the pushing side for the back end of your nail bed, and then it also has this one, which is good for the sides. You get cuticle clippers, and I really like that they have the little cover over the clippy part because these are definitely really sharp. And lastly, you get a pair of nail clippers. So that is everything that comes in the kit, along with the bag, which you can either choose to store all the nail art supplies in, or you can do what I'm going to do with it and use it as a purse. It has the crossbody strap, and it is just gold detailing, and it has this chain, and it's just super cute. It is small enough to hold a wallet and your phone and any other small necessities. And again, huge shout out to Model 1s for partnering up with me on this video. And again, I do have a link in the description box for you to get $60 off your kit. Next up on my favorites list are small journals. I don't know why, but I really like small journals. I've really gotten into journaling the past few months. I started a new class called Advanced Financial Literacy, and one of our assignments during class every week is to just write about stuff. It can be anything you want. It doesn't have to be about money or anything like that. They supply us with a journal, and you just write whatever you want. And so ever since then, I just started writing every day, and I have 2 journals right here. I have my bullet journal because I did just start bullet journaling this past month, and this bullet journal is from Erin Condren. I actually have an entire video on it that I will leave down below for you guys. And if you guys would like me to do a bullet journal flip through or bullet journal plan with me, make sure to let me know in the comments down below. And then I just have this small journal that says "You got this," and I actually got it at Dollar Tree, and I absolutely love it. If you guys would like me to do an entire journal flip through of all my journals, be sure to let me know. And what I really like is that I can keep these 2 together together with the Keep It Together bands from Erin Condren because these are my 2 daily notebooks. I know it is only November, however, I am already prepping for 2019 because it is a big year for me. I will be doing my final graduation for college and earning my 2nd degree. I will be doing my externship, which is out in the medical field, and then I will be out working in the medical field after I take my board exam. So I am already planning for 2019, and I got a planner from Amazon, and it is just a tabbed planner, and I really like how simple it is. I plan on putting a bunch of pictures on the inside cover just to decorate it a little, and I did keep the tag right here, and I will link it down below for you guys. This is the Shipley's tabbed planner for January 2019 through December 2019, and it has the monthly and weekly view. And I am just gonna go ahead and turn to the first month so I can show you guys. This is what the monthly view looks like, and I do color code everything. If you guys would like an entire plan with me video, let me know down below. So in the month of January, I literally just put a tiny dot according to the color for the class, and then I write the time. And so this is the monthly spread. I really like how big of a space you get to write everything because you can actually write everything down. And then this is just what the weekly spread looks like. It is just columns, and it has the times. It goes from 8 in the morning down to 8 at night with 2 extra spots in between, as well as a daily task part at the bottom. So I will be doing my whole entire schedule on the timetable portion, and then for homework and stuff, I will be putting it in the daily tasks portion. And again, I did what I did for the monthly view, and I just put a dot. I have not put times yet because I plan on writing what we're doing in class that day right there. So if you guys would like an update on how my planner looks once the spring semester starts, let me know in the comments down below. I cannot say enough good things about this planner. I love the way it's set up. I love that it has enough space for you to actually write things, and I definitely think it's gonna help me this year. Next up is a body spray. I don't know if I've ever actually included a body spray on my channel. Actually, that's a lie, I did. But this is a new one, and this one actually isn't from Bath & Body Works. This is the Bebe Sheer Body Mist, and I absolutely love it. I first smelled this when I was with my friend Shay. Shout out to you, girl, because I know you watch my videos, and she let me try it out, and I fell in love with it. So I moseyed on over to Marshall's and picked myself up one. I actually got the last one. This smells so good. I'm not even gonna try to explain what it smells like because we all know I can't do that. But if you were looking for like a really good smelling body spray, I highly recommend checking this one out. I've literally only had a few weeks, and you guys can already tell that I've used it a bunch. I just can't stop smelling it. And I can guarantee you right now, Shay's sitting watching this video and laughing at me. And I can guarantee once she watches it, I'll get a text from her. Oh, just smells so good. So shout out to Shay for introducing me to this scent. The next product on my favorites list, I actually cannot show you physically right here, but I will insert clips of it, and it is my Amazon Echo Dot wall mount, and there she goes. She turned on. She heard me. I cannot stress enough how much of a difference having a wall mount for it has made in my life. Rather than sitting on my nightstand and being knocked off and having the cord everywhere, a wall mount saves so much space and is such a good invention that I recommend all of you who have one to go on and order it. Mine is just from Tuvern, and I got it off Amazon, and I will go ahead and roll the clip of it right here. So this is just what the wall mount looks like. It is so easy. Literally, you just put this blue piece in, and you put the Amazon Echo Cube. And of course mine turned on because we have her set as the name Echo. And then you just go ahead and plug it into the wall, and it is literally all one piece. And of course it does have the shorter cord to go along with it. And it's just a lot more convenient to have it on with the plug rather than having it take up space on a surface. It is just so convenient to say, hey Echo, play Get Ready playlist.
Get ready from Spotify.
Echo, pause. And it is just so easy to be able to say that from across the room and be able to play my music. So yes, it is an obsession. Absolutely love it. Next up is my paw print tattoo for my cat Tigger. If you've been a long-time subscriber, you know I did have a Maine Coon cat who passed away on August 1st. I have a video all about him down below that I will leave for you guys. And a few months ago now, I got a tattoo of his exact paw print because at the vet, they did take his paw print before he passed away. And so I did get it on my left shoulder, and it is upside down because when I would hold him like this, and he would put his paw on my shoulder. I absolutely love this tattoo, and it's definitely been a favorite of mine ever since the day I got it. I will go ahead and insert a picture of what it looks like right here. And then, prepping for the holiday season, I have been obsessed with a pair of pajamas that I got from Adore Me last year. I will have them linked down below. I'm not sure they have this exact set anymore, but they do have similar ones. And this is just a buffalo plaid set of pajamas. The top that comes with it is long sleeve, and then there are the same printed shorts. They're actually in the wash right now, but I am getting ready for Christmas, and we all know how much I love Christmas. For once, I also have an entertainment favorite, and that is a TV series called The Haunting of Hill House, and it is on Netflix. If you haven't heard of it or seen it, you are living under a rock. It is possibly the best series I've ever seen in my life, and they better come out with a second season. I watched it in 2 days, and if I hadn't had school, I would have watched it in 1. But I did have to go to bed because I had school the next day. But I cannot recommend that series enough. It keeps you on edge. You have to like pay attention really well, and I actually want to go back and watch it again because people have said that there are ghosts in certain portions of the series that you only see when you watch it again for the second time. So if any of you know what I'm talking about or have seen this, let's start a good discussion about it in the comments because I'm obsessed with the show. And lastly, I have a shoe favorite. It's been a while since I've had a shoe favorite. This is just a pair of riding boots, and they are from Just Fab. They were having one of their deals where if you sign up for a subscription, you can get your first set for $9.99, and that's exactly what I did, and it is the best $9.99 I've ever spent. These are just the Allie buckle flat boots in the color brown. I do want to say these run super duper small. I'm normally like a 6 or a 7, and I purposely sized up to an 8, and even still they are tight. They're not like too small for me, but they're definitely on the tighter side. I also got wide calfed ones, and I'm glad I did because if I had gotten regular ones, they wouldn't have fit. I'm not saying that I have monstrous calves. I would consider my calves to be of average size, but I would not in any way, shape, or form consider these to be wide calf. I definitely think they need to look into their sizing more because everything about it just seems really small. So those are just my combined favorites for the month of October and the month of November. I really hope you guys liked this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and while you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I upload new videos each week and would love it if you would become part of the Allie Paca squad. I hope you guys liked this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!